Welcome to CoDraft. CoDraft Academy of Law presents Law and Lit, YouTube series on law and law entrance tests. In this series, we will provide the national and international days observed in January. Important national and international days in the month of January. 1st January, Global Family Day. 1st January has been observed as the Global Family Day. It's the annual celebration observed on January 1st of every year. 4th January. 4th January is also an international day celebrated as the World Braille Day. It is celebrated on January 4th as it is the birthday of Braille inventor Louis Braille. The day recognizes the contribution of Braille in helping blind and visually impaired. 6th January is a World War Orphans Day. World War Orphans Day. It is a day to raise awareness to the international community of the numerous amount of children who are affected by the outcome of warfare and left without families. According to UNICEF, there are roughly 153 million orphans worldwide. 8th January is African National Congress Foundation Day. 8th January is African National Congress Foundation Day. It's a mission that was to bring all Africans together as one people to defend their rights and freedom. 9th January is celebrated as the NRI Day, that is the Non-Resident Indian Day, or Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is observed to recognize the overseas Indians. This has been celebrated since 2003. January 10 is World Laughter Day. World Laughter Day is an annual event celebrated worldwide to raise awareness about laughter and its healing benefits. 11th January. 11th January is observed as the death anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He died in Tashkent in Uzbekistan on the 11th January 1966. He died after a day when signing a peace treaty to end the 1965 Indo-Pakistan War. January 12th is observed as the National Youth Day. National Youth Day, or Yuva Divas, is observed on January 12th across India. This is to commemorate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. 12th January is observed as the National Youth Day. January 15th is celebrated as the Army Day. It is celebrated every year in India as it is on this historic day that General K.M. Cariappa became the first Indian to take charge of the Indian Army in 1949. Army Day is celebrated on 15th of January every year in India, as it is on this historic day that General K.M. Cariappa became the first Indian to take charge of the Indian Army in 1949. January 23rd January is celebrated as Subhash Chandra Bose's birthday across the country and to commemorate his contribution to India's struggle for independence. 23rd January is celebrated as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birthday. 24th January is celebrated as National Girl Child Day. 24th January is celebrated as National Girl Child Day. It is celebrated in India. It was started by the Ministry of Women and Child Development and the Government of India in 2008. It was started by the Ministry of Women and Child Development and the Government of India in 2008. January 25th, celebrated as the National Voters Day. Celebrated as National Voters Day. To encourage more young voters to take part in the political process, Government of India decided to celebrate January 25th every year as National Voters Day. January 25th is celebrated as National Tourism Day. 25th January is celebrated as the National Tourism Day. It is observed on January 25th to highlight the importance of tourism for the economy of the country. January 26th, India's Republic Day and also the International Customs Day. It is a day to remember when India's constitution came into force on January 26, 1950. It is a gazetted holiday. 26th is also International Customs Day. It recognizes the role of custom officials and agencies in maintaining the flow of goods across the world's border. International Customs Day celebrated on 26th January. 28th January is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai was an Indian freedom fighter and he played a pivotal role in the Indian independence movement. He was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. 28th January celebrated as the birth anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai. 30th January is celebrated as the Martyrs Day. Martyrs Day or Shahid Divas. It is celebrated in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi, and on 23rd March, Martyrs Day is celebrated to pay tribute to three extraordinary revolutionaries of India who were hanged to death by the British, namely Bhagat Singh, Shivram Rajguru and Sukhdev Thapar. 30th January or Shahid Divas, Martyrs Day or Shahid Divas is celebrated in memory of Mahatma Gandhi. January 30th is also World Leprosy Eradication Day. 30th January is celebrated as the Anti-Leprosy Day or World Leprosy Day in order to rememorize his selfless efforts and care for the people affected by the infectious disease leprosy, which is also known as the Hansen's disease. 30th January is celebrated as Anti-Leprosy Day. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this with your friends. Thank you.